Hi, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Molt Money. Here we talk about stocks, financial news, and cryptocurrency. So if you like talking about money, please go ahead and drop me a like and subscribe to the channel. I have some really quality information I want to put out today regarding Chainlink, as this particular crypto serves a really good purpose on, really many different levels in the crypto space as a whole. So you want to make sure you stick around until the end, as I'm going to cover my price predictions regarding where I see the potential of this coin going in, really the short, medium, and long term. But first, I want to hop in here and take a look at some of the prices on the day, week, month, and even year. Now we can see today we're just under 9%, and even the week have been kind of just slaughtered at a little under 20%. And I think honestly, if you are not in Coinbase, Coinbase, if you are not in Chainlink at this point in time, these are really, really good prices. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is for your education only. But I can tell you that anytime you see Chainlink within the 20s, mid 20s, this is really going to be a good opportunity when we take a look at where we're going in the, short, medium, and long term, which we'll get into those price predictions later. But I wanted to hop down here real quickly. For those who really aren't familiar with Chainlink, Chainlink is an Ethereum token. This powers the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. This network allows smart contracts on Ethereum to securely connect to the external data sources. That's your APIs and payment systems. So for our beginners out there, what a smart contract is, it's really a self-educating, or excuse me, I can't talk today, executing contract with the terms of agreement between the buyer and seller being directly written in lines of code. So the whole idea here is it makes things, those lines of code very secure and very safe, and it all does it within the blockchain. Now, you want to keep in mind that in order to become a node and start providing data to the Chainlink oracles, holders must stake linked tokens into a smart contract to act as an incentive against misbehaving or submitting false data to the network. All right, so, and then, if we look at the volume's definitely coming in. We've got definitely more buying than selling here at 66% buy and 34 sell. So we look at the day and we are of course down, but there's just there's volume coming in, but not quite as much volatility as we sometimes see in the cryptocurrency market. So I wanted to hop over here to Twitter real quickly. As you can see, Chainlink provides the largest collections of decentralized services powering the world's hybrid smart contracts. Before I forget, I will have my Coinbase link below in the description. So if you're new or a beginner to cryptocurrency, make sure you go ahead and hit that link. That's going to give you a free Bitcoin just for signing up. It really helps me out as well and helps support the channel. So as we come down here, I want to find, here it is, this article here. So what I want to point out is Chainlink is really integrating with a lot of different great projects here. As you look at Polka Fantasy, which 47,000 followers, and we've got other NFTs down here, CryptoZoon BSC, which is sitting at 148,000 followers. So what I like about Chainlink is they're constantly integrating and they're constantly growing that ecosystem out further and further and growing more and more projects. And that's something you really want to see in cryptocurrency as we really grow out the blockchain technology and move into the future with this beautiful technology. So, a couple pros that I wanted to throw out there in regards to Chainlink for those who are, not quite as familiar with Chainlink is this really is going to allow you to have those secure interactions between smart contracts and off-chain data. And, they've got really, really big partnerships if you look into the company as a whole with, big companies like Shift and even Google. They do work through the Google Cloud. Also, the scalability in terms of Chainlink is just about the best in the business. And, Chainlink I can almost say that they are really a sure bet as far as how they just dominate the game in the cryptocurrency market. So those are a few things I wanted to talk about in terms of the safety, the security, how we really help in general against fighting and fraud. And by the way, I do often refer back to XLM Stellar, which is, another crypto favorite on this channel. And I know a lot of people have said in the past that one reason why XLM is, has that bullish vibe out there is because they've done so much with the Ukrainian government, and that's why you get so many bullish articles on XLM in particular. But then on the other side, people will turn around and say, well, Ukraine is a really corrupt country that is built around a system of fraud. Well, when you look at blockchain and companies like Chainlink, this really shows you how the blockchain technology and these companies in general protect against fraud. It's actually the opposite of what most people think when they think in terms of cryptocurrency being a scam or just unsecure in general. Cryptocurrency is actually much more secure than your traditional banking system in most educated blockchain technology people in this business would tell you. So I want to hop back in here to the price prediction as far as Chainlink is concerned. We do see it at 27. Again, this is a great price in my personal opinion. And if you look really at the past year, we had a height of just right around 52-ish, 53-ish right here. So we're nearly half that. Now your best point would have been, of course, right down here in the $13 to $15 range, which, I grabbed a little bit of a bag there, I'm not gonna lie. But here we're still sitting at a great price, as I really do see this price jumping up to about, I'm gonna say, $70 to $80 by the end of this year and well into the bull market of 2022. I can easily see this doing a 10x to the, I'm gonna say 200 to 300 even range is a pretty conservative, safe bet when we're talking about Chainlink. So I wanted to hop on here real quickly, give you a little bit of an idea on what Chainlink is, what they have to offer, and the price predictions I really do stand at about 200-ish, around 200-ish mid 2022. So that's all I've got for you today. I'm going to drop a couple links down in the description below. I'll have my Twitter down there, I'll have my Instagram, and I will also throw my Coinbase link so you can go ahead and start up an account. So that's all I got for you today. Go ahead and enjoy the rest of yours. Remember, I'm your stock and crypto guy, so always remember to stop by and say hi.